Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Anna, and in today's video we are going to achieve this glowy base using all drugstore products from skincare to makeup. I'm gonna just talk you through how to just prep your skin depending on if you're oily, if you're dry. I am oily, so I'm gonna really focus on oily, but I'm gonna give you options for if you're I'm not oily, I'm dry. I'll give you options if you are more on the oily side. And then I'm gonna walk you through how to prep the skin, how to make it glowy underneath your foundation, throw your foundation on top, and just how to get this. So, grab something to drink, grab a pen and paper, take some notes, grab your makeup, let's do makeup together. And yeah, so let's just cut right into the fun. All right, step one of getting that glowy base is gonna be skincare. So I'm gonna put my hair back. This is my little Versed headband. I was gifted it, along with the products that I'm gonna talk about as far as prepping the skin. I wanted to keep this budget friendly, and you can find it at Target, or you can order directly through Versed. Sorry, I don't wanna sound like a salesperson, but I do have a discount. You can save, I think it's 15%. So putting it out there. My face is washed. I'm gonna just do a little prep. This is the Antioxidant Oil Serum. How pretty is that? Give it a good shake. 2 dots on the hand. Rub it together. So the reason I'm saying skincare does play a huge role in a glowy base is because if you prep your skin right and you just take care of your skin just in general, whatever you put on top is always gonna look nice. So even when I'm doing makeup applications on clients, I assess the skin and I make sure that if they're oily, I get them to a place where they're matte. If they're dry, like me, and that's the skincare or skin type that I'm most familiar with because I'm dry, I get it to a point where it's nice and hydrated and there's a little bit of a glow, right? Because we can always take it down with powder. Let me put some lip balm on. Big favorite of mine, this is from Jason Wu. You can get this at Target. It feels amazing. It doesn't feel like lip gloss. It doesn't taste like anything, and it doesn't smell. And if you know me, I hate when things smell, especially on my lips because it's right under my nose. And then I'm gonna do, this is the Skin Soak also from Versed. Hold on, I wanna make sure it's in focus. They have this moisturizer if you're dry skin like me, and then they have, the Dew Point, which is amazing if you're normal oily. I used this on a bride the other day for her trial. It's that's the combo for her. So this is the Skin Soak. It's a rich moisturizer, and now even though it's rich, it blends really nice. When I initially got this, I thought it was gonna be like Nivea cream, which I love that consistency regardless, but I thought it was gonna be rich like that. But this one is actually it moves really nice. So always just press it into the face, massage it, take your time. I find that when I take my time with skincare, I just I'll rub it in, I'll give that time to really apply to those dry areas. For me and most dry people, it's always here, sides of the nose. And then once I'm done applying it, and especially when I'm working with clients, I just press. I want to make sure it's an even layer. Take it up to my under eyes. Whatever's left over, throw that on the back of your hands because we don't waste product here. Now to the fun makeup. One of my favorites for several years, and I think everybody's favorite for a reason, is the L'Oréal Lumi Glotion. This stuff is amazing. Honestly, you can get any color and probably wear it. The deeper shades will give you a nice bronzy tone. This one is in shade medium. I could do medium or light, but I'm gonna do medium today. Still have a little bit of a summer tan. This I'm actually gonna use all over my face. Do not be intimidated by this product if it's your first time using it. It's not like the Charlotte Tilbury where you're gonna have Tin Man face or anything like that. This you could almost use all over as a glowy tint to the face on no makeup days. See how that just looks so delicious? So I'm gonna just apply that. Also, this feels very moisturizing. So notice I'm layering products. That's one of the main things too when it comes to just making sure the skin is good and making sure that we have a good glowy base. So I'm just doing a nice thin layer. we're not gonna push it away yet because we're gonna use it again. This is probably, I would say, like the star of the show. You know what I mean? Okay, next up, foundation. Foundation, we're gonna go for something that has decent coverage, but also has glow to it. So, what did I think of immediately? The Maybelline Super Stay Skin Tint. I have two shades here. I have 120 and 220. I'm not sure which shade I am now. I'm probably still 220 because I have a little bit of that summer color. So I'm gonna use that. And I'm just gonna show you guys up close, in case this is your first time seeing this video. See how when I turn, the light has like these little, it looks like shimmer. It's like mica. That's what gives it the glow. Give this a nice good shake. This foundation, I've heard and I've seen it and I've experienced it myself, can be a little bit dry. So I'm gonna stress again, make sure you prep your skin really good. If you're oily, you'll like this because it does kind of like, I guess, mattify. If you're dry, you gotta prep your skin real good. I just wanna kind of throw that in there again. So I'm gonna take it and I'm going to put some on the back of my hand. I do not apply this directly to my face. I like skeeves me when I see people like put the thing, I don't know. So I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna start off in the areas where I need coverage. It's always around my nose. Oh yeah, this color's perfect right now. So I always start in the center of the face and kind of work my way out because that's where I need the most coverage. Like here. See how like the glow is still peeking through? I love that. I'm gonna take this brush. You can use any brush. And I like to press it in. Wherever I'm working in a spot where I need coverage, I will take the product and just press, press, press versus wiping it. It's just ensuring that I'm getting the coverage that I need in that area. So same thing here. And then I'll kind of like feather out the rest. So for me, this is always my problem area. And for whatever reason, the left side of my face, I just have more of that KP, which keratosis pilaris. It's just there more. I need a mirror so I could see up close. So see what I mean? Like, because I prep my skin good, you could see like this foundation is beautiful and it has a gorgeous like glow, but it does have a tendency to look a little more makeup-y. So in those areas, I will just kind of feather out. Basically feather out where you need least amount of coverage, and where you need more coverage, you're gonna stamp or stipple. Very, very, very nice. Okay. Now I'm going to use a bronzer that is kind of dewy and it's kind of amazing. Guys, this one just won an Allure award. This one is from Makeup Revolution. It's their cream bronzer. It's really good. It's extremely pigmented. So if you have this or you're thinking about getting it, proceed with caution. When you take it out, I only need a teeny tiny bit. So that little bit of the swatch, it spreads out a lot. Just to save yourself time, get that brush that you use to put your foundation or to mix it with, pick it up, and I'm gonna just apply this kind of like on the cheekbone. Because it's a creamy product, it's gonna give a nice kind of like glow, but I'm also defining my cheeks. See? This is such an underrated product. I'm so glad that they won an award because it's really good. I'm gonna take a teeny bit more and I just wanna warm up my forehead. So this is going to just kind of warm up the face, sculpt it a teeny bit because this shade is a little bit cooler, but it gets the job done. Just gonna hit the sides of my nose real quick. I'm like the lazy contourer. See, looks like there's some shade. Looks like I did something. Okay. Brighten up my under eyes. Gonna go in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. And this one is medium neutral. This one says, oh, it's a hydrating. So just a teeny bit. That and just go underneath the eyes and then go with my finger. I'm trying this thing now where I'll do concealer kind of last, and I think I like it. Just blends everything away. Really nice. This shade is really nice too because it has a teeny tiny peachy tone, which I need to conceal under my eyes. Just helps to neutralize a little bit. What I'm gonna do is whatever's kind of left over here, I'm gonna shear it down and I'm gonna kind of highlight just a teeny bit. And I'm gonna take it towards the center of my nose. I find that when you blend with your fingers, it just gives it like kind of a more natural look. Little on the forehead, I'm gonna go back with that brush that I've been using this whole time and just blend. We are almost done tying this together. Last, to really like get that glow and like seal it, I'm gonna go back in with this guy. This is the star of the show. I'm gonna take it like that, and I like to warm it up, blend it out. Now, I like to hit the high points of the face again. And this is just gonna really give you that extra glow, that juicy dewiness. Now this glow is very like, this is a very nice glowy look. It's not super dewy, but when the light hits, it's amazing. So that is the complexion glowiness with drugstore products. Guys, let me know what products you've tried that I've mentioned. Is there anything that you're like, Anna, you really gotta try this out? Comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.